Hi, I'm Jenny, the Social Media Manager at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, I'm going to share some ideas for a holiday social media campaign for your auto shop. Get creative with your content. It's time to start planning your holiday social media campaign. Consider a few things when brainstorming content. First of all, think about what kind of messaging would be most relevant and engaging for your target audience. What would they be interested in seeing from you and your shop this time of year? Here are some ideas. Show off your employee holiday party. Serve hot chocolate while people check in or wait for repairs. Support a good cause. Partner with charity or nonprofit or local organization in your community. Use social media to spread the word. For example, make a graphic that says, "Help us reach our goal of 500 gifts for children," and explain in text how you're partnering with the local charity this holiday season. Share holiday car memes. Check our blog for a folder of holiday memes you can download. Post some holiday gift ideas or wish lists. Plan your posts in advance. The holidays are a busy time for everyone, including your auto repair shop. To make sure you're able to keep up with demand, it's helpful to plan and schedule your social media posts in advance. By doing this, you can ensure a consistent posting cadence and avoid getting overwhelmed during the holiday rush. Keep it festive without being too salesy. The holidays are a great time for shops to show off their festive side. By incorporating fun visuals into your social media posts, you can attract attention and bring in new business. Here are some ideas for a few festive visuals. Have someone dress up as Santa at your shop. Sparkling white lights, fresh garland, big red bows, and a Christmas tree can make a huge difference in making your shop seem merry and bright for the holiday season. Take some hot cocoa station photos with consenting customers. Images and videos of decorated cars in your shop. Whatever you choose, make sure it accurately represents your brand and gets potential customers excited about doing business with you this season. Run holiday promotions or contests. Your shop can use the holidays as an opportunity to run special promotions or contests. This is a great way to get new customers in the door and show your existing ones how much you appreciate their business. Make sure to promote on social media to help reach the widest audience possible. With a little effort, you can make this holiday season a big success. Engage with your audience. Your customers are busy this time of year. Their schedules are packed with parties, shopping, and travel. That means they have less time to take care of their car repairs, but you can help make sure their holiday season is stress-free, at least when it comes to their car. Use social media to let customers know about special holiday deals or services. Answer questions and help them troubleshoot problems. If they comment on your post, reply. Remind them you're not just a business, you're human too. Happy holidays, shop owners. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.